Good morning. Actually, it's sort of mid-afternoon, but we'll go with it. I wanted to give you an update on the three sisters, and they are doing great. They're our winter squash. They're squashing up very nicely. The beans, they're doing fantastic. Our Kentucky variety here, and we've got little baby beans on it too. Whoop, watch out there, camera. There we are. Little baby beans. Corn are doing great. Nice silk. Very nice, except for, you may notice a couple of plants are turned down. No, we didn't have a hurricane come through because those look great. But walk this way. Look at these poor squash right here. If you can see, there is a hole right there. And you see another little imprint right there. Well, I don't need to look that up. I know what that did. And here, some critter ate some silk off our corn there, munching away at it. Which all that tells me it was a deer, or two or three, hard to tell. I guess they like corn silk too and walk around. Alright, but we gotta watch out because deer like to munch on bean leaves. Thank goodness they don't like beans. I don't know why. But they love bean leaves, so we need to make sure that they don't eat our plants away. Hey, just a quick update for you today on the three sisters. They're doing fantastic. Where I live right now, we're at mid-September. And we have corn very soon. This is great. Look at that, pollinating down, hitting the silk. We're doing good here. All right, we'll keep you updated. All right, you have a great day. Good luck. Get planting. God bless.